Guys, welcome to my channel Decode Architects. In this video, another important principle in architecture: combination. You should be search about combination. For example, in the plan perspective, the other shape, you should be and mix together for be better shape. Okay, for this matter, you should be now about the proportion, now about circulation, communication space, and between space. These are important for create and good combination. Due to the previous video, in this video we wanna draw I will drawing a plan and combination. You can see that, and I use of the another shape for create for example the green space and lobby and everything. I use of my knowledge in my mindset that before study about it. Okay, move forward quickly, move forward to the designing. The first thing, when you wanna enter this space, okay, this is a space, you need to add a previous space between a space like that. It can be have a every shape. Okay, this is another space. This is very important between 1 and 2 space. When you wanna enter this space, you prepare yourself for this space by this space between space. Okay, for example, you up stair. Okay, entry. After that, you want to go to this house. Okay, you need to add summary space like that. Okay, for example, put out your shoes and everything. Okay, after that, move forward to a space. Okay, you want to go to the kitchen. Okay, kitchen, and you can't and direct to kitchen because previous and a main space of kitchen, kitchen, you need to and enter to the space for prepare yourself. Okay, like that. These are an empty space, very important to design plan. Okay, another example, for example, this is a bedroom. Okay, you want to enter this. You can't and direct move to bedroom. Important, you should be and put a space before direct to a bedroom like that. Okay, you can put another bedroom or other side. Okay, this space is very important in design plan because change to an flexibility plan. And for example, when you see a historical plan about for example Greece and Iranian plan, you can see an empty space between the other and main space. For example, yes, communication together space. Yes, empty space for flexible space, and don't move another space directly. Is not appropriate plan, appropriate space. Okay, and can be put in this space, for example, and green space like this, and this window, see it, see it, space like that. Okay, for this matter, between space is very important to design plan that you can use them for be better and upward your quality plan. Okay, thank you for watching, and last of this advice for you that the first duty of you should be and read and study another architect's work. For example, Norman Foster and Frank Lloyd Wright and Miss Van Rohe. These are a famous or prominent architect. You should be know about them, about the works. And prescriptprice.com is one of the great source for every architect. That is your duty. Analyze every architect, every word, and so pattern and drawing in pattern on the paper, so the collect it after for example 1 year and 6 months later you be change, your mindset be change, your upward, your craft, personality, and your mindset about architecture. Thanks for watching this video. If you have a comment advice for me, and comment under this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.